Hi my loves, welcome back. I'm your host Manvi, and today I'm gonna be sharing the skincare and beauty products that I finished and bought again. And some of these products I bought multiple times because they are that good. So this video will give you a sneak peek into the products that I like to invest in for myself other than buying for reviews. So let's begin. Number one is HelloCell Vitamin K Dr. Petite Eye Cream. I have bought it more than 10 times and you can see the empties. This is a must-have in my skincare vanity. It has 1% vitamin K complex, tree hellos and panthenol, which reduces the dark circles under my eyes, and it actually works. That's why I highly recommend it. Next is Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion by Plum Body Loving. I have finished 4 bottles of this already. It's perfect for summertime. Texture is so lightweight yet hydrating. It's rich in cocoa butter and vitamin B5, leaving my skin soft, supple and glowing. It's one of the best smelling body lotion with a blend of vanilla and caramel. It's one of those viral products that are totally worth the hype. FYI, they also have the Vanilla Caramello Eau de Parfum, which is a gourmand fragrance. Layer it with this body lotion and you will smell yummy for whole day. You can use my code MANVI15 to get 15% off on your order from Plum website. Next is the Laneige Lip Glowing Balm. I have finished so many tubes of it and I always keep a backup of it. They have launched their newest vanilla variant, which I would love to try next, but these are the best lip balms I've ever used. I actually prefer these over their lip sleeping mask. Next, let's talk about a beauty product that I bought again, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Eyeshadow Quad. I've hit pan on this eyeshadow palette. There's still a little bit of left, which I will be using, but there was a 30% off. So I bought a new fresh eyeshadow quad. It's my everyday eyeshadow quad. In most of my videos, I'm wearing this eyeshadow on my eyes because that's how much I love it, and I know it's a little bit expensive, but it's totally worth the hype. Next, I repurchased the Dove body scrubs. I got the lavender one. Next, I'm gonna get the Calendula one. Texture is so creamy, it cleans your body so good and smells so yummy. Nothing like these body scrubs. Next, I have repurchased the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Probiotics SPF 50 PA++++. It's one of the safe sunscreens free from oxybenzone. It also gives a glow on the skin without leaving any white cast. I bought it last summer and that's why I bought it again for this summer. My next skincare product that I have repurchased very recently is the Centella Blemish Cream by Cosrx. If you have acne prone skin type, this is a must have for you. I have tried so many spot treatments. Most of them don't work, but this one actually does, and that's why I keep buying it again and again. I also repurchased the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. Although I do have a lot of other moisturizers, but I always keep a tub of this one with me because it's so lightweight and perfect for the summertime, and I like to wear it under my makeup. Next is the Clear Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, which I bought again, the full size bottle of it. Honestly, I haven't used this hydrating toner like ever. I've used so many skincare products. Like, it goes really deep into your skin and gives a glow from within that you deserve. Next skincare product that I've repurchased is the Simple Barrier Care Replenishing Cream Cleanser with 11% ceramide boosters. This is a beautiful creamy cleanser and it has replaced my Simple Refreshing Cleanser because it's much more gentle yet clean your skin so deeply. Next is a beauty product that I bought again, and it's my foundation which I use most of the time. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I'm in shade Cashew, and if you want a foundation that stays in its place, does not move in the summertime, this is the one. Next, I also repurchased the Klairs Gentle Black Facial Cleanser. It's a water-based gentle cleanser which removes the pore clogging impurities from your skin. So if you get acne, a lot of blackheads, clogged pores on your skin, this is the one for you. And this tube is gonna last me for months because you need a very tiny amount of this cleanser. So that's why I'm getting the return of my money that I invested in this one. Some of the products you might think are very cheap and affordable and and you might go ahead and buy that, but sometimes it lasts you for only a month. So invest in the products that are really good quality, will last you very long time. And one of those products are Clear's freshly juiced vitamin C drops. This is one of my favorite vitamin C serum. I always come back to this, and someone was asking me, how does your vitamin C does not oxidize? Keep it in the fridge and it will not oxidize for months. And I think there's one more product that I actually repurchased during this Nykaa Pink sale, and it's yet to arrive, and it's the Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I always keep a backup of this one because it keeps my skin looking youthful, supple, and really bouncy. This is heaven sent for you. I actually use it in the summer times as well because I cannot do without it. So yeah, kiddies, that's all for my today's video. And if you want to watch my summer skincare recommendation and what I recommended for Nykaa Pink sale, you can watch these videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.